Hi there, and welcome to this quick session on how to build your first website that you're going to have for your business. Now, I know entrepreneurs at our college oftentimes find it difficult to build a website because they think they need a lot of design skills or other things related to it. But I'm here to tell you that's not true anymore. Thanks to AI, we can build a website using a flyer that we have made for our business, promotions or other things that we have posted, details that we have written about our business. We can take all of those different things and we can basically upload them into AI and then ask AI to build a website for us. So I'm going to show you how to do that today because I do really want this world of getting access to a website and most importantly, access to a shopping cart or a newsletter or something where you're gathering your customers' information so that you can start to connect to your customer and make sales. The most important thing about having a website is not just to do promotion, but to get your potential customer to take action. So what we're going to do is design a website that will help you do that today. All right, so I'm just going to take a couple of things here and I want to show you how I do it by just taking materials that I already have and I'm putting them into place. So I'm sharing with you right now this FAQ document that I created. And basically this FAQ document is a quick overview of um, frequently asked questions that people have about a car service. All right. So this is different things that I've written or different promotions that this car service has done in the past, a little bit of information about it. And sometimes this might come from like a proposal that you've written, but if you have an existing running business, then you have some kind of flyers or other things that you have made. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this material that I've got, that I've already built, and I'm just going to upload it into a site called Gamma. All right, so now let me show you what Gamma looks like. So we're going to go into your um, Chrome, and I'm going to open Gamma and kind of show you what that looks like from the very beginning, because I want you to see how simple and easy it is to do this from the very beginning. You don't have to be any type of expert to make this happen. All you have to do is have a little bit of information about your business. And the other thing that can help you, and I'll show you this too, is you can use AI to help build extra content and materials for your business that you might want to put on your website. So first things first, we're going to go straight away into Google Chrome, and I'm going to type gamma.app. So gamma.app is the website. And once I'm in gamma.app, I just want to show you kind of what the home looks like. You see, I've built a lot of gammas in my years of using it. So I'm just going to hit create new with AI. And when I do that, it's going to give me these big old buttons here. And I don't want to generate something from one prompt because if you have an existing running business, then you're going to want to use materials and things that you have there. So for me, I have a PDF of the flyer that I want to upload into this thing. So I clicked on upload. Now I'm going to upload that file. So I'm going to go here to my file. I'm going to go to my download folder. And in my download folder, we're going to have the materials that we need. All right, here it is. So here's the PDF. Now it's going to upload this file. It's going to pull the text and the words off of the file. So if you upload an image, it's going to find the words in the image. It's going to find your title. It's going to find things like that. And you're going to want to make that part of it. So this will be part of that process. So while it's importing this, I want to show you something else in Gamma or Gemini. So Gemini is the Google version of AI, and it comes up with this. You're probably familiar with these. You've probably gone into this at some point. So this is where we can start to take some of the materials that we've got. So I can take that same document and I can ask AI to expand on it or to do other things with it. So I can upload it into AI and I can simply ask, can you take this and turn it into text for a simple website. The goal is to have people take action. All right. So any website should have them take action, right? So I'm just going to have Gemini take a look at this document, work on it a little bit. It's set to a pretty fast engagement. So it's uploaded this into Gamma to switch back over. And I'm going to choose web page, right? You got 4 different options here. We're going to choose web page. Once I've done that, for the sake of this, I'm going to hit continue. And it's just going to start to analyze what I want to do. And it's going to give me this little thing called a prompt editor here. So it's pulled different things out. It's pulled out a logo. It's pulled out some different text that's in here. We can leave this free form for now. I do want to note this little box over here where you can say things like, please create pictures that are based in New York City. Please create pictures that are connected to fashion. You want to do that kind of thing that might relate to your industry. We want it to be concise, sometimes minimal when you're building your website. You don't want your person visiting your website to get caught up in doing anything other than understanding a little bit about you and then taking action. So I'm going to choose concise. And you can see that there's different looks here. There's different views. There's a lot of different options for the designs that you can take. But there's also, tons of things that you can modify. You can go into these and you can create your own version of them. For this, try to find something that sort of matches your own color scheme. For the sake of this, I'm just going to choose this one. And I'm going to select that template. Don't worry about it yet. You have plenty of opportunity. You can instantly transform this into something else. You're not stuck with it. This is just going to give us a good starting place. All right. Now ask us the type of pictures that we want. So I want AI to make some pictures for me because I don't have a ton of pictures. I can replace some pictures. Some people want photograph style. Some people want illustration style. Some people might want like very specific ambiance. I'm just going to choose this one here, just so we have something interesting to look at. It automatically said 10 cards. Let's say for the sake of simplicity, we don't want to go that high. We want to keep, again, the simplicity of our thing. So what Gamma is doing right now is it's actually going through the content, going through the pieces of what it's got, going through the direction that you gave it to make sure that everything is concise. And then it's building this website, right? So you can see that my logo is not transparent. That's something that you would want to work on. If you don't have a version of that, it would look better. Or you'll want to switch your background to something light so that this shows up better. You can make changes to your web page, but I want to show you how neat it is, how it works, like what it does, reserve your ride, how you actually do it, what writers are saying. You've got all these different things that people say. You've got content, materials, photographs, meet the founders. So it's writing this content that's relative to the different things that are happening here. And I just want you guys to kind of get a handle on the fact that this is being built on the fly right now. You can see it's making all these different pages and it's going to publish that. So you can see here that AI has gone through what I uploaded before and given me a summarized version of this. Now, this could have been a better thing for us to go with, right? So I sometimes recommend that students take what they've got, upload it into a chat, some type of chat bot like this one, like Gemini, have it digest a flyer and materials, have it create your copy for your website. Then once you have that copy, you can copy that material by hitting this button right here, and again, paste it into a blank Gamma. That's how quick and easy it is for you to build a website. The next thing I'll show you in our next workshop is how to add a shopping cart. I hope this is helpful for you. My goal with these mini workshops is not to have you spending hours and hours creating new materials. Your goal is to get your business up and running or to create a website in quick order that tests to see if your customers are responding to your messaging, are they responding to your marketing, are they responding to your product or service? Doing this in this quick fashion allows you to test things out quickly, and you'll discover fast how you need to change your product or service to meet your customers' need and grow your business.